Greetings, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whatever time you see this video. Hopefully you see it this afternoon or this evening. I'm going to give you a little more information about your homework assignment for tonight because I know it was a little bit confusing. So here goes. If you don't understand, do the best you can, do something, do anything, and bring it in tomorrow at least so that I can see that you tried. Okay, this is the assignment on the Renaissance and Revolution handout that I gave you. The first thing you're going to do is on this paper, you're going to read the entire passage. Read it through from the beginning to the end, and then I encourage you to go back and read it again. Once you've read it, I want you to look at this outline below. This outline comes from this passage. These are some key points. What I want you to do is everything that's on the outline, I want you to go and find it in the passage above and either highlight it in the passage, or you can underline it if you don't have a highlighter at home. Just use your pencil or pen, underline it or circle the area that it's found in the text. Why? Because I want you to see that an outline is basically just the key points taken from the text that you read. Once you've done that, go back and just the words that I've highlighted here, I'm going to read them out to you so that you can actually see them, as I know it's kind of hard to read. Take these words, write them on a separate piece of paper, and write one fact that you find from the text about each of these words beside the word on your paper. And then answer these last two questions down here. It'll be all turned in tomorrow. I want to encourage you to make sure you do this. Do it well. You might actually be able to use this to help you out on an assignment tomorrow, but you'll have to wait till tomorrow to find out more about that. Let me read the words to you now that you need to highlight. So we have here, of course, Marco Polo, Christopher Columbus, the Renaissance, humanism, kings, absolute monarchs, English king overthrown, scientific method, astronomy, and mathematics. Those are the only ones you have to do. You don't have to do all of them, just the ones I read out to you there. If you missed it, just go back a little bit and listen to it again. You can hear it again. It's no big deal. So, as an example, for Marco Polo, I would look in the text and I would see that it says for Marco Polo that Marco Polo traveled to the Spice Islands in the 13th century. So, beside Marco Polo on my paper, I could write Marco Polo and then put travel to the Spice Islands in the 13th century. Pretty easy, right? If you have any questions, you can try and send me an email, or wait till tomorrow and ask me in class, or come and see me in the beginning of the day during homeroom time. Okay? Good luck. See you in the morning.